Hi, I'm Daniel from Educator by Nature, and I've heard that you're coming to Kin Village these holidays, and we can't wait to see you. I thought that I'd just check in with you to see what things you might need to pack for these holidays so that you're prepared for a full day out at Kin Village this spring. Now, speaking of spring, there's a few things that you're going to need in your bag because the weather at this time of year is sometimes cold, sometimes hot, sometimes in the middle, so you need to be prepared. A good backpack is going to be really important, and one that you can fit on your back and that you can carry, because you'll need to carry it from where you get dropped off to home base so that you can be responsible for your belongings. Don't bring too much stuff. But in your backpack, well, first of all, you'll need a lunchbox with a couple of snacks in it for the day, a healthy lunch, anything that you think you might need to keep you satisfied throughout the day so you don't get hungry. A water bottle is a really good idea too. Bring it full of water, and we will have some jerry cans ready for you to fill up your water throughout the day so that you don't get dehydrated and you stay really well hydrated and you don't get thirsty. Now, I was saying before that sometimes it's cold, especially in the morning, so you might like to pack a jumper or maybe like a couple of layers of t-shirts and maybe a shirt underneath so that you stay warm throughout the day. And sometimes in spring it still does rain, so I will be packing my raincoat just in case. It's always good to be prepared. But on the other hand, you want to be prepared in case you want to do some swimming. We'll be by the river, and it's such a lovely time of year to be having a swim and a play in the river, and you might get wet. So bring some bathers, a rashie, something to cover your body and protect it from the sun. Some sun cream is a really good idea as well. We'll do a couple of times throughout the day where we remind you to reapply sun cream. So make sure you bring some sun cream as well, not just put it on at the start of the day before you arrive at the program. A towel is going to be really important just in case you do get wet, either from the river or from the rain if it does rain. And then maybe bring a bag that you can put your wet clothes into once you get changed. Might like to bring a change of clothes which are your bathers, but you also might like to bring an extra change of clothes as well, just in case the clothes that you come in get dirty or wet and you want to get changed out of those as well. Throughout the day, we'll have time to stop and eat our lunch and have drinks of water and put sun cream on and have lots of fun doing different things. But make sure you're prepared with your bag, your backpack, and all your belongings. You might like to have shoes that are closed in, or you might like sandals. Footwear's up to you, but you might like to be prepared with some footwear. You don't have to wear it all day. We do lots of time with shoes off, and that's part of the fun at being at Kin Village. Oh, and don't forget a hat. I love a big wide brim hat because it covers my whole face and my ears and the back of my neck. So make sure you pack a hat that you can wear throughout the day as well. And we hope that you bring a sense of humour and a smile and lots of energy, because we're going to have a joyous day together and we can't wait to see you at Kin Village.